I did not see a clean out outside. I did see a septic tank in the backyard. It's exposed. The whole top of the septic tank is exposed. So I don't know if this is still on that septic tank, or if it's been connected to a central sewer, but we'll take a look at this. There's only 2 stacks on the roof. There's 3-inch on the north side, and then on the southwest side there's a 2-inch stack. Oh, we got crack in the pipe. Yeah, that's bad. I'm afraid to go beyond there. I'm afraid we're going to get stuck. Yeah, I can't go back. I can't go beyond there. So that's super poor. Right there. And we can't get in. We tried calling open door, but we waited 5 minutes. They never answered the call. We were going to go inside so if we could run some water, we would do that. But open cracks in the wall doesn't look good. Let's go look at that other stack. Alright, so here by the power pole, we got this stacks probably for a kitchen sink and laundry. We couldn't get inside, so we don't know what the layout is. It's cast iron. A lot of grease. I don't know if we're going to get in there. Alright, opens up to 3-inch. Inlet there. Yeah, I can't get through there. Completely clogged up with grease. Based on that giant crack we saw over in the other stack, I'd say I need to get a repipe.